Hi, my name is Jemima I heard about Inegben GRC program on LinkedIn. Someone posted about the program, and I felt, wow, this will be really interesting to see the boot camp and to learn more about it. The live session has also impacted me in a way to, being able to see it practically, to see how someone in the field actually performs like vendor risk management and many more. So it's been really good. My feedback so far is the course is very intense, and I would say probably a bit more quizzes would be great, with obviously chances as well for people to learn from their mistake and still be able to go on with the course. And would I advise anyone to take the course? I'll say yes, but the person has to know that it's an intensive course and be ready.